Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Aston Martin Vantage and the Mercedes-AMG GT. Both are formidable two-door sports cars, but they offer very different philosophies. We'll dive into what makes each vehicle unique, from their powerful engines to their luxurious interiors. Get ready for a detailed look at these automotive titans, helping you understand their strengths and characteristics. Under the hood, both cars share a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, though with different tuning. The Aston Martin Vantage boasts 656 horsepower, offering a thrilling, melodic exhaust note. The Mercedes-AMG GT, particularly the GT63, delivers up to 577 horsepower. When it comes to acceleration, the AMG GT63 is slightly quicker, reaching 60 miles per hour in 2.7 seconds, compared to the Vantage 3.2 seconds. Hey everyone, quick break from our high-performance comparison. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more automotive content. On another note, speaking of performance, keeping your own engine fueled properly is key. Make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your meals fresh and organized. You can find the link for these containers and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Inside, the Aston Martin Vantage offers a luxurious, driver-centric cockpit with premium hand-stitched leather and a 10.25-inch infotainment screen. The Mercedes-AMG GT counters with a more modern, tech-laden cabin, featuring dual 12.3-inch digital displays and turbine-look air vents. Driving the Vantage feels lively and engaging, a true sports car experience. The AMG GT, however, provides unflappable stability and precise control, making it a no-drama speed sled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.